We're going on a free walking tour of Cartagena. They do it at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. every day. It's a great way to see the city and learn some history.
On this great tour, you'll check out some statues, churches, and the main plaza as you learn about the history of Cartagena. There's lots of action on the streets of the old city. Walk past colonial homes draped in bougainvilleas. Stop for a minute in another plaza and learn about why the homes here have unique door handles. You'll find another interesting statue in front of a church to wrap up the tour. Fogón Costeño is a good local restaurant to try for lunch. Order up some shrimp ceviche and some seafood rice along with fried plantains. There's lots more to see in the old city, so let's keep going. Head atop the old city wall to enjoy the views off to the side. Off in the distance, you'll see Bocagrande. Head that way to see the new side of Cartagena. Here, you can kick back on the beach, or just enjoy a peaceful stroll along the water. It's worth it to stick around here to catch the sunset. The small, unassuming restaurant Guatilla is an excellent choice for dinner. Snack on some cassava with a milky, cheesy sauce, and enjoy a coconut lemonade before trying a fantastic cheese soup and some Caribbean coconut rice. The old city of Cartagena really comes alive at night. You'll see the Shiva buses blaze by, open-air party buses with an open bar. People gather in the plaza to dance, or head up to Café Del Mar for drinks and live music. If you don't feel like walking anymore, you can take a ride in a horse-drawn carriage. Walking around, you may see the famous palenqueras balancing their fruit baskets. There's good window shopping here and plenty of places to grab a drink. One place you've got to check out is the funky KGB bar, which is full of Soviet-era decorations.
Filmar, voy a tomar la foto, porque poco a poco nos vamos a hacer famosos. Te luce la camisa, llegó el que te improvisa. Tú eres Da Vinci, ella es tu Mona Lisa.
You never know who's going to show up in this famous Colombian city. Who could it be?
Pope just so happens to be here right now. Everybody wants to see him.
Moving right along from the Popomania. It's time to take a walk to one of the most famous restaurants in the old city. Here we are, La Cevicheria, once visited by Anthony Bourdain on his show, No Reservations. Snack on mango salsa and yuca chips before digging into some tasty ceviche and a lobster soup. Ready for another night out in Cartagena? Let's go for it. Simply wandering around the streets of the old city is a fun way to kill some time and work up an appetite. A favorite all over Colombia is crepes and waffles. Here you can order some interesting crepes, like this one with salmon, avocado, and sour cream, or this one with coconut, octopus, and mussels. Save room for ice cream if you can. Chances are you'll find some musicians performing in one of the squares, so check it out. Finally, it's time to tear up the dance floor at Babar.
Yeah.